Good morning my lovelies and welcome to my channel. It's Lorraine here. I hope you're all really well, enjoying lots of sunshine. If you've still got sunshine, I know we've had some showers and some thunderstorms, but the sun and the warm weather's been lovely, and of course the flowers need the rain, so that's a blessing. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm just going to do a quick introduction to a journal that I'm going to be making. I have been on Facebook groups and on a YouTube channel for Tina at Shabbydabbydodah. I don't know if you follow Tina, but please go along to her YouTube channel and watch her latest video and you'll understand why I'm using this kit. I'm not going to explain it, just go along to Tina's channel and have a look at why I'm using this kit. This is the Nostalgia kit from Tina at Shabbydabbydodah, and it's available on her Etsy shop. And it's a really soft colours, images, and quite a versatile kit. Now, I have used this kit before, and because of events in Tina's life, I've been on her Etsy store and I've purchased, not this one because this is one that was already in my stash, but I've purchased this kit, which is lovely. I love the roses in this. I'll just do a quick flick through of it, just not explaining any of it, but just to give you an image of this beautiful botanical kit and the lovely flowers and images. I love these blues. So this will be another project that I will be working on at some point, but I just wanted to just show you these and encourage you to go along and have a look at some of Tina's kits, please. Comes with a coffee stain, and I'm going to put the coffee stain page on the back of all of those. This is another one of Tina's kits. It's a William Morris, the William Morris prints, and they are just so lovely, and of course so versatile. You could use these in all of your journals or your cards or whatever it is you craft. You can use these. These are lovely images. There's this one with the smaller images, but there's one also with bigger prints, and a separate kit, and the colours on the other kit are quite vibrant, but I wanted the soft hues because like this one I can use with the Nostalgia kit. Well, I could use quite a few of them. That bluey grey would go nice with the Nostalgia kit. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some of Tina's stuff. So pop along and have a look at Tina's kits, why don't you? And have a look, certainly have a look at her last video on her YouTube channel, and she explains why this is happening. So I'll just go through this kit and leave it at that, and then we'll start doing the journal. I'll start doing different things with the journal. So these are postcard size images. I've printed them just on paper because what I'm going to do is going to back these at some point. So, and it's a massive kit, is this. It really is cracking value for the amount of stuff that you get in the kit. So that's 8 postcards, and then you've got these journal cards and tickets. There's vintage images in the kit. Again, some more postcards. That's 12, 16 postcards, stroke pockets, and then pockets and ephemera. Really lovely faded, washed out sort of images of the roses. And again, more. Tina talks about this. She has a video on this kit, and her flip through of her journal, and she talks about a lot of these pictures are from her personal photographs. So they're lovely, lovely. So again, more pockets, tags, tickets, butterflies for fussy cutting, and tickets again. Some more fussy cut images, an envelope, and these pages, there's quite a few, I think there's four of these, yeah, three of these pages with these note papers, so you can turn them into little notebooks, or you can just use them as, I don't know, collage for pages. I don't know what I'm doing yet. We'll work through that. And these are the background pages in the kit, and again there are these lovely muted colours that I like so much, and journal spaces on there, lots of different collage work on them. Some of them have the colours on, some of them are just muted. Really nice, really nice. Lots of these vintage style buildings in the kits that you can, again, journal spaces, so when you've got that as a page, that page is journal space. Lovely. I want to walk in those woods. And again, a collage page filled with the vintage buildings, the roses, again the forest, some of the vintage ephemera. So that's the kit that I'm going to be working with, and I just thought I'd bob along and introduce it to you, let you know what I'm working on. I haven't been on for a while because of course with the start of summer we start getting visitors, which is lovely for us because we get to see friends and family that come to visit us here in Greece. But it takes away some time that I would normally spend in my craft room, and so I have been missing in action. I will try catching up with some videos, and I will, because we go back to England the end of July, mid-end of July for a couple of weeks, and then thankfully we're bringing back our daughter and the two kids for 4 weeks. Her husband's going to join us later. But so it's going to be quite a busy time, so I need to get some videos and get them scheduled to come on whilst I'm busy. So join me whilst I'm doing this nostalgia video. I'm going to put it on as a little series, working through this vintage shabby chic journal. It will be filled with lots of lovelies, laces, ribbons, dangles, whatever goes into making my shabby journals. I don't think I've made a shabby one for a little while, so and I enjoy that theme, so I'm looking forward to it. So hopefully see you again for the next video, and thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye. Oh, sorry, I'm